If you want to make money from your business idea this year, you first need to test it. After watching this video, you will be able to easily test your business idea in just 1 month so that you can start making money this year. And we're going to show you exactly how right now. Many South African entrepreneurs struggle to turn their idea into a successful business. If you want to know if your idea is going to make money, you have to answer these 4 questions. Number 1, are people interested in your idea? Number 2, will people buy it? Number 3, are they happy with it? And lastly, number 4, will they come back for more? Now, we can do market research for days, but answering these 4 questions will make you think practically and help you test your idea. And guess what? If you pass the test, you're making money. So, let's get into question number 1. Are people interested in your idea? To answer this, we recommend using Google Trend. It's a free tool that allows you to see the popularity of a word or topic by search. Essentially, the more people searching for your product or service, the more likely it is to gain the interest of your potential customers. Let's check out how this tool actually works. For this example, let's pretend I want to start a gym as my business idea. I used to be a fitness coach, so this should be a good example. So Kelly, that's me, wants to start a gym in Johannesburg Central. So to find Google Trends, simply search for the word Google Trends on Google. Open up the first link. Once you're on the tools page, it's going to ask you to enter a search term. Let's start with the word gym, because logically when people want to work out, that's a typical word that they would search for. Now remember, this is applicable for any industry. If you're working in construction, for example, you would type in words connected to that industry, like roofing or building or bricklaying. But for this example, we will search gym. So, when Kelly enters this word, she can already see that over the past 12 months, there has been a good interest in the word gym. She can see by location that Gauteng is the location where the search term is the most popular. That's in her area, so that's awesome. What's great about this tool is that you can compare different search terms to each other and focus on the real need in the market. So based on her own knowledge, Kelly can compare 3 typical terms in her industry that is relative right now. That would be personal training, group training, and also bootcamp style training. Let's compare the 3 here and see what results we get. Through this comparison, we can already see that bootcamp and personal training takes the lead. In Gauteng, there is a high interest in bootcamp, but personal training is also still popular. It also makes sense that personal training is still popular as we know we are still in the era of COVID as well. So this information is also relative to the mindset that people are in right now. Kelly can now use these analytics and her own personal experience and zone in on this market of personal training services, but also include bootcamp style workouts. Since there is proof of the interest in these areas, Kelly can now be confident that her idea is going to make money. Awesome. Question number 2. Will people buy it? Now that we have some proof that our idea can gain the interest of potential customers, we need to know if people will buy it. So, where can Kelly get clients to offer these personal training sessions to? Through Kelly's experience, she knows that people that go to physiotherapists usually need to build their muscle and fitness up again. So she can use Google to search physiotherapists in my area. For a construction company, for example, you could search architects in your area and get in touch with their clients. But for this example, let's search physiotherapists in Johannesburg Central. As you can see, there are quite a lot of physios in the area. This is great. And we have the information right here. So as a professional business, Kelly wants to connect with each one of these physios. She can connect through LinkedIn, email, and phone call. However, since they are in her area, she can do a personal visit and take along her brochure with her company's details, which they can also pass on to their clients. For those who are unavailable, she can send an email or reach out on LinkedIn. Kelly can offer one free session to their clients for them to trial her service. In return for this free session, she can also draw up a questionnaire for the client to complete to get some valuable information and feedback from them. Here is an easy email template example for those she can't make contact with. She can also include these points in her conversation. In your interaction, you should include an introduction of who you are and what you do, mention the why, include how this will benefit them, and offer them a trial or an example of your service or product, and also ask them for their feedback. Check out the link below to download these free templates as well as client questionnaire that you can customize to your business. All right, we're at number 3 now. Are people happy with the service or product that you provide? Next, Kelly needs to know if people are happy with her services. So, will they refer her to their friends and family? An easy way for clients to refer customers to you is by sending them your Google My Business profile. Google My Business will help customers find you, learn more about you, and also leave reviews on your Google Business profile. It also helps you reach customers who you otherwise wouldn't be able to. If you don't have an account, you can simply set one up. Just go to Google, type in Google My Business, and sign up here. Follow the information guide as seen here. To find out whether the client was happy with Kelly's service, she can use the information they provided on the questionnaire from earlier, as well as ask the client for feedback after the session. Remember, not all feedback will be positive all the time. If you have an unhappy client, you need to learn from that and improve. However, when you do get a positive feedback, you should feel confident enough to ask your client to give you a positive review on Google. Mr. James, I would like to help thousands of more people just like you. So as I help you, would you please help me and give me a positive review on Google? You can also use my Google link to refer me to any friends or family who may be interested in my services. Don't forget to smile. And just like that, you have a tool to prove customers are happy as well as allow them to refer your business to other people. If Google My Business setup seems a bit complicated, don't worry. Company partners can help you set up a full Google My Business profile. We've linked the details below in this video. Finally, we at number 4. Will they come back for more? During this process, we have proven interest in Kelly's idea. We tested if people would buy and are happy with the service rendered. Now finally, and probably the most important, we need to make sure that they will come back for more. Need to get the client to come back for the next session and pay. So think about, what would you offer your client to get them to use your service or buy your product again? A savings deal on their next purchase? What will entice them to come back? Here, I would recommend reaching out to the clients with the intention to connect and make sure they come back to you for more services or products. Your message or conversation template points will look something like this, where you include a follow-up, you focus on their needs and wants, and offer future services or products. Then, you want to make a special offer to make your client feel taken care of and encourage them to come back. Finally, end off with excitement to continue doing business with them. Remember, these templates will work for any type of business idea. So just customize it accordingly, and if you get stuck, you can call me. We are right here to help you. See the details description below this video. Using these 4 easy steps, you will be able to test your business idea and optimize it to start making money in less than 1 month. But this is just the beginning. Subscribe to our channel for exclusive tips, tools, and resources as we take you from your idea phase to starting a successful business that's profitable. Company Partners has many years of experience in helping entrepreneurs just like you start and grow their business every day. Call us on our toll-free number for more assistance or free advice. If you are still forming your business idea, don't worry. Sign up for our free startup workshop via the link below to guide you step by step. Download all these free resources and templates and start testing your business idea to make money today. See you next time.